regular expressions in integrated development environments and text editors. Discover the power of pattern matching within your development environment. Regular expressions, or Regex, offer advanced search capabilities, smart text replacement, and help to boost your productivity. VS Code regular expression features. Explore the key features of using regular expressions within Visual Studio Code. VS Code provides powerful tools to enhance your coding workflow. Some of them are search and replace with regular expressions, multi-file search, case sensitivity toggle, whole word matching, and preserve case options. To quickly access these features, use the following shortcuts. For search, use Ctrl+F. For replace, use Ctrl+H. For global search, use Ctrl+Shift+F. To enable regular expression, use Alt+R. For example, use the expression $*\.js$ to find JavaScript files. VS Code Search Interface. Understand the search interface in VS Code. The search bar allows you to input your regular expression pattern. Notice the regular expression toggle button. On the right, there's a control panel with options like enable regular expression mode using Alt+R, match case using Alt+C, match whole word using Alt+W, and preserve case using Alt+P. VS Code practical examples. Here are a few practical examples of using regular expressions in VS Code. The first example is how to find email addresses. Use the following search pattern: AZ0-9 _%++AE0-9 +/A2. This matches email addresses like user@domain.com or test.email@example.org. Then you can replace them with email redacted. Second example is removing empty lines. Use the search pattern $s*$n to match empty lines with optional white space. Then, leave the replace field empty. Sublime Text regular expression features. Now let's explore the features for regular expressions in Sublime Text. Sublime Text offers multiple selection with regular expressions, incremental search, Python-style regular expression engine, replace with capture groups, and find in files with regular expressions. Here are some essential shortcuts. Ctrl+F for find panel, Ctrl+H for replace panel, Ctrl+Shift+F for find in files, Alt+R to toggle regular expression, and Ctrl+Alt+Enter to find all. Sublime Text advanced features. Dive deeper into Sublime Text with these advanced regular expression features. One is multiple selection. You can use the pattern function \s+, \w+, to select all function names with Ctrl+Alt+Enter and edit them simultaneously. Another is capture groups transform. In the search field, use \w+, \s+, \w+, and in the replace field, use $2, $1. This will transform John Doe to Doe John. Other popular editors that supports Regex. Regular expression support isn't just limited to VS Code and Sublime Text. Let's briefly look at other popular editors. Atom with Ctrl+F shortcut offers built-in regular expression support with live preview. Vim or NeoVim with $s/pattern/replace/g command provides powerful command line regular expression operations. IntelliJ IDEA with Ctrl+R shortcut has context-aware regular expression with syntax highlighting. Best practices and tips when using Regex. To make the most of regular expressions, here are some pro tips and things to avoid. Test patterns on small samples first. Use capture groups for complex replacements like \w+, \s+, \w+, to $2, $1. Enable regular expression mode before searching. Use case-insensitive flag when needed. Save complex patterns as snippets. Avoid overly greedy quantifiers. Escape special characters properly. Test replace operations carefully. Be mindful of multiline patterns. Always back up before mass replacements. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.